guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find your exported projects on CapCut PC, like where did your exported videos go. So hit the export button and you can type in, like, for instance, lyric video, and here's where your videos are exported to. For instance, you have exported it and you don't know where it went. It's in this folder. You can just simply select this, copy it, or like right click copy. And then you can go to your folder and go to the file path and paste that. Or once you have just finished exporting it, select open folder and it's going to open it. Or again, you can paste it in your bar like that and it's going to show you. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!